Advanced English. Replacement of saw word. Sighted. The hikers sighted a bear in the distance. The hikers sighted a bear in the distance. The sailor sighted land after weeks at sea. The sailor sighted land after weeks at sea. We sighted a rare bird species in the forest. We sighted a rare bird species in the forest. The hunter sighted a deer and aimed carefully. The hunter sighted a deer and aimed carefully. Glanced. The editor glanced over the manuscript. The editor glanced over the manuscript. I picked up the book and glanced through it. I picked up the book and glanced through it. She glanced at the door, realizing she had forgotten to lock it. She glanced at the door, realizing she had forgotten to lock it. Spotted. I spotted a rainbow in the sky. I spotted a rainbow in the sky. We spotted a whale in the ocean. We spotted a whale in the ocean. I spotted my friend in the crowd. I spotted my friend in the crowd. The lions were spotted in the forest. The lions were spotted in the forest. Glimpsed. I glimpsed the moon through the clouds. I glimpsed the moon through the clouds. He glimpsed a spider in the corner. He glimpsed a spider in the corner. The teacher glimpsed a student cheating on the exam. The teacher glimpsed a student cheating on the exam. Stared. She stared out the window. She stared out the window. She stared at the dog in amazement. She stared at the dog in amazement. I looked in her face for some response, but she just stared at me blankly. I looked in her face for some response, but she just stared at me blankly. Gazed. He gazed at her, his eyes full of longing. He gazed at her, his eyes full of longing. I gazed at the sea for hours. I gazed at the sea for hours. Everyone gazed at her beautiful jewels. Everyone gazed at her beautiful jewels. To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.